Welcome to Barefoot Tracks of Whangarei, where I take you each week to a track in Whangarei where you can walk in bare feet. Today we're at Taheke Waterfall track, and there is a storm of brewing. I'm at full car park. Taheke Waterfall track. We are walking down here. Well, we found ourselves on a dock staircase. Now, I know some people might argue that I could indeed walk in bare feet in gravel, but for me that would contain no joy at all, because I'm seeking a connection to the earth, and to me the gravel is just something that humans have put in the way of my connection to the earth. Here's the lookout point. There's definitely a track coming this way. You can tell because the roots are suddenly naked in a line. You see there's like a whole lot of them up there. Humans are humans, right? There's always going to be tracks that go down to the top and the bottom of a waterfall. Mountains. 15 minutes drive from Whangarei, people. Amazing. Okay, now for the loop. So I started up the loop track and then noticed a track coming off the side of that track. There are man-made stairs. So it's definitely been a track in the past. Oh look, I can see a banister. Oh, I see. It's a warning banister. It's amazing how being in the bush can make me feel so small and yet so much part of everything. So I've taken the clockwise route. Loop that way. Secret path this way. So this track is doubling back on the valley that I just walked through. I believe the track that I was on is just down there. So this is probably the original track of the area. So squishy. Oh, we're switched back to not gravel again. Track can't decide what it is. And after a lovely time up on the ridge, I can see we're heading down the hill. Look how many stairs there are. I'm glad I came this way around. I have now joined up to the loop track again. Here's the stream and gravel again. I'm heading out. That's it from Barefoot Tracks this week. A little bit of older tracks and a little bit of newer tracks and a lot of waterfall. Have a great week and get your feet into nature. Bye, Taheke Waterfall.